show you what it looks like once applied to wet hair. And that's the result after it's been shampooed and washed. Smells really nice, very citrusy, lemony. I left it in for about 20 minutes before I rinsed it off. Don't mind the grays. This cat is old. Oops. That's it. Kaffir lime fruit shampoo. Woo! And voila! This is after it's been blow dried. I didn't use any products, just blow dried it with a dryer, blow dryer, and with a brush. This side's still wet just for comparison. My hair is naturally curly and wavy like this. And I feel like this part, after it's been dry, still feels like any other shampoos that I've used. I don't feel any different. Not any more silky or soft or anything like that. Might be different for other people's hair texture, but mine's frizzy and curly, so that might be the reason why. But this is just an experiment. First time using it. I still have a whole bottle to test with. But for the first time, that's what it looks like. Still smells really, really nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!